Welcome, I'm Professor Hosey, the horn teacher at William Carey University. The ASBDA has partnered with our School of Music to create these instructional videos to help you prepare for your All-State Middle School chair placement, Year C. Let's begin. Page 31, number 15, moderato. When preparing number 15, focus on legato slurs and four-bar phrasing. Challenge yourself to only breathe during the quarter note rests. When you first work on this piece, I suggest slowing it down to around 65-70 BPM to make learning the pitches and rhythms easier. While at the slow tempo, pay attention to dynamics within each phrase. Moderato in Italian means moderate and should be played at a tempo neither too fast or too slow. For this audition, we'll aim for a tempo of quarter note equals 84. In measure 2, when moving from the D below the staff to C third space, make sure you use enough air to slur that interval. In measure 6, while crescendoing to forte, use that air increase to make those wider intervals flow through your horn. This is a measure that will take some time to get the hang of. Don't forget the repeat in bar 8. In measure 11, count this measure carefully and make sure that the triplet on beat 4 evenly takes up that one beat. Page 51, number 14. When preparing number 14, focus on smooth slurs and light staccato tonguing throughout. When playing staccatos, try a TI or T articulation so that the note is short but resonates. This excerpt should be played at a lighter and quicker tempo than moderato. For this audition, we'll aim for a tempo of dotted quarter note equals 112 to 120. In measure 8, use that crescendo to your advantage to help lead into the accent in measure 9. Here, you will remain messo forte until the end of the piece. In measure 9, we're asked to play accents on beat 1 of each measure until the last 3 bars. With accents, make sure that you're thinking of them as tiny decrescendos. The front of the beat will be more than the end of the beat and should only take up an 8th note. I have altered the end of measures 12 and 20 by only playing to the downbeat of beat 2 and placing breath marks over the last 2 8th notes of those bars. This will allow you to take a nice deep breath to get you into the next phrase. Try not to breathe between bars 24 and 25, and in measures 25 and 26, pay attention to the articulation here. It has changed. In 26, I suggest using alternate fingerings on the A and D. You're gonna both play them on trigger T3. So A T3 to G sharp T2-3 and D T3 to C sharp T2-3. In measure 27 and 28, you can decide to play D open 1 or T3, whichever gets you out of measure 26 the easiest. I hope you find these tips helpful and happy practicing.